Look, this is simply hypocrisy. United Nations Organization is celebrating International Human Rights Day, okay, 10th of December. But today, what we see, an innocent Pakistani, Dr. Afia Siddiqui, is behind the bars in solitary confinement since last 18 years. And United Nations is celebrating International Rights Day, Human Rights Day. It is totally hypocrisy, nothing else. How dare she is there? She is innocent. She hasn't fired a single bullet. No forensic reports prove that she is guilty. And she was shot twice, almost dead. She's away from her 3 children. She hasn't seen her kids since last 18 years. The last telephone call with the family received 4 years back. During the tenure of Nawaz Sharif, there was 1 or 2 telephone calls which their family used to receive from Afia, from the jail. But during Imran Khan's tenure, 3 years, not a single telephone call the family has received. This is too much. And America, which is the champion of democracy and human rights, Afia is innocent and simply a target of war on terror. The Attorney General of America, retired and now dead, Ramzi Clark, has confirmed that Afia is innocent, and she has expressed on air that the victim she has seen Afia, he hasn't seen any victim of such injustice which has been done to the prisoner, to the victim. So this is too much. And we demand the Imran Khan government that you talk of Medina, Riyasat of Medina. Where are you? Where is your democracy? Where are your election slogans? You use Afia just for votes, gain power, and now you are in power. You don't know who is Afia. You haven't took a name during your 3 years career. This is simply hypocrisy.
याददाश्त पेश की हमसे क्या कह रहा था और याददाश्त के बारे में
वो तो सिंपल एक याददाश्त थी, उन्होंने रिसीव कर ली। वो तो क्लर्क है, वो तो मैनेजर भी नहीं है, उन्होंने तो रिसीव कर ली, आगे पहुंचा दिया। लेकिन आगे पहुंच गई है, यह हमें मालूम है। लेकिन इसके बाद क्या हुआ? ये फॉलोअप देना था पाकिस्तान को। ये पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट की जिम्मेदारी है। पाकिस्तान दुनिया भर के ममालिक ने अपने कैदियों को वापस ले लिया, क्योंकि कोरोना के मौके पर अमेरिका ने सारे कैदियों को वापस दे दिया। पाकिस्तान वाहिद मुल्क है, पाकिस्तान वाहिद मुल्क है जिसने अपने कैदी को छोड़ा हुआ है। क्यों? इसको डर है कि आफिया रिहा हो गई तो पता नहीं क्या क्या चीजें मंजर आम पर आ जाएंगी। उनको डर है कि कौन कौन सा राज फाश होगा। उनको डर है कि किस किस के चेहरे से निकाब उतरेगी।